Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and being well. So, as you know, that I have also said earlier the video of this and that, we are here with the exercise portion of this and that. And you know that we have recited the rhyme also of this that. Let's recite the rhyme first. This is near me, that is far. This is my finger, that is the star. This is my bow, that is the rainbow. This is my gun, that is the sun. When something is near, we say this. When something is far, we say that. Now, when something is near to us, when objects are near to us, then what we see? What we say this to that object. And when we have to point out the finger, and when objects are far from us, we have to use that. So, like this, see the first question. What it is? Ball. Ball. Ball is near. What will speak? This is a ball. This is a ball. What is that? When question is in this, you have to answer in this only. And when question is in that, you have to answer in that form. What is that? That is a cloud. What is this? This is a boat. What is that? That is a book. When we point at something near to us, जब कोई चीज़ हमारे पास में होती है तो फिर हम उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? This. And when things are far from us and we have to point out the finger very far, है ना? See like this, the girl is here and the bird is here. They are far from each other. So the girl is pointing out the bird saying that is a bird. And like this same, that is a boat. Now you have to fill up with this and that. You have to see the object is near to the girl or far from the girl. If it is near to the girl, then you will use this, and if it is far from the girl, you will use that. See, mat is near to the girl. Then what you are going to use? This is a mat. This is a mat. Now what is this? House. See, girl and house has so much difference from each other. है ना, दोनों दूर हैं. So what the girl will use? That. That is a house, because there is the house is far from the girl. Now see, next is cup and girl. Cup and girl are near, पास में है cup और girl. What we are going to use? This. This is a cup. And see, it is a fan ना. Girl and fan are far from each other. दोनों एक दूसरे से दूर हैं. And जब आपसे कोई चीज़ दूर होती है, हम उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? That. What we will use? That. That is a fan. So you have to do this exercise in your books and also revise it as it will come in your exam, and we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, be at home, be safe. Bye everyone.